Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the system. Then let's go to reset options, which is at the very bottom of the list, and here we've got the mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi separately, which means that we can basically reset only one section and the other will be left alone. So everything looks the same, just like in the network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on the option you wish to reset, tap on reset settings. Here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so you need to be aware about that, and tap on reset settings to confirm, and that's all. Here we've got the confirmation. Same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, just tap on it. Here we've got the information you cannot undo this action, so just tap on reset, and that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.